I've found in the quality field that organizations have a certain expectation of defect levels. In other words, we make defects occasionally and it just happens. And I think that's pretty much the result of the fact that these companies generally refer to their manufacturing operations as art, or it's magic how we make these things. And generally when I hear those sorts of phrases, which is okay, but when I hear those phrases, I just think that there's a lack of science being applied to those processes. And statistical methods, statistical process control, that's a great way of uncovering information from a process that will allow people to eliminate the art and black magic and uncover the root causes for why defects are generated in the first place. Because once you start collecting data specific to those processes, you get insights about those processes that could be improvement specific and allow us to identify not only the foundational root cause reasons for why we have defects, but eliminate those defects in the first place. Now, if we eliminate those defects, that means our costs are lower, our production processes can run faster, and it means our efficiencies are greater. And bottom line is, what that means is that quality can help drive your competitiveness in whatever industry you're in.